Welcome to our guide on how and when to harvest lavender. In this video, we'll show you the best techniques to ensure your lavender is at its most fragrant and vibrant. The best time to harvest lavender is when about half the flower buds on the stem have opened. This stage is often referred to as half bloom. The essential oils responsible for lavender's aroma and therapeutic properties are at the peak during this phase. Harvesting in the morning after the dew has evaporated but before the day's heat sets in is ideal. This helps to preserve the essential oils within the plant. Lavender typically blooms from late spring to early summer, depending on the variety and your local climate. Regular observation is key to determining the precise timing for your specific location. For harvesting, you'll need sharp pruning shears, scissors, or a sickle. A sickle is particularly useful for harvesting large quantities efficiently. Choose stems where about half the buds have opened. Make your cut about 1/3 of the way down the stem, just above the old wood. This encourages more growth and helps the plant to stay healthy. Gather a handful of stems and tie them together with a rubber band or string. This makes it easier to handle and dry them. Hang the bundles upside down in a dark, dry, and ventilated area. This helps to preserve color and fragrance. Drying usually takes about 2 weeks. Once dried, store the lavender in airtight containers away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. Keep a close eye on your lavender plants as they approach the blooming stage to ensure your harvest at optimal time. And after harvesting, provide your lavender plants with adequate water and care to promote regrowth. By following these guidelines, you can maximize the yield and quality of your lavender, ensuring a bountiful supply of fragrant and versatile flowers for all your needs. Happy harvesting! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips.